Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. We're here at World Trade Center, and of course we're here to get some footage for my most recent video, which you guys have seen by now, most of you guys anyway. This is going to be the story of Yvette Moreno. If you see that thumbnail, that's going to be the latest video over on the Evil Intentions channel. So of course, you know, this vlog is going to work a little differently. Normally I like talking to you guys and like showing a bunch of different things, but you know, for today, I think I'm going to minimize the amount of talking I'm doing. I just don't feel right, you know, going into the locations and just kind of, you know, talking so much when people are trying to, you know, remember loved ones, especially at this time of year. This is just 2 days prior to 9/11, so I want to make sure that I'm respectful of everybody who's in attendance. And you can see it's already a lot of activity out here, and it's only like 9 a.m. The pools, of course, are looking beautiful, looking nice and clean. And all right, let's go into the museum now.
The next time anybody heard from Ladder 3, maybe they can come out on the radio to evacuate the North Tower. I don't know if it was there, I can say.
Alright, so we're outside of the Memorial Museum now. Got the news over here interviewing people, more than likely relatives of those taken much too soon. Yeah, very active out here right now. Alright, so right now I'm walking over to the North Pool to where Yvette Moreno's name will be. And I'm gonna grab some footage of that. That's gonna be a majority of the footage is going to be like out here where there's a lot of people, you know, kind of walking by. Yeah, the reason I try to be in and out of the museum is because, you know, I've been there before and it is extremely heavy. You know, I advise anybody who's going to make sure they keep that in mind because it is most definitely an experience. Getting some additional shots because I like to have more than less. Probably try to get a few angles here too. You can see it's very active. So yeah, now that I'm outside, I'm just getting my single shots as you guys are used to seeing me get. See how this looks. Yeah, that is definitely looking good right now. But yeah, if you come over to N59, you'll see Yvette's name here. So. Alright guys, so this was a short one, not much talking today, but I'm sure you guys understand. I'm just about to leave here and head uptown and start working on this. Guys, thanks for rolling with me today, I appreciate it. Of course, if you find yourself in the area down near One World Trade and you feel that you're ready, give the museum a visit. There's a lot of information there, a wealth of information. And of course, it's always good to pay respects to those who lost their lives. And, you know, to the people who worked tirelessly to get that information together. So if you feel that you're up for it, definitely give it a go. All right, guys, well, I'm off this. Appreciate you rolling with me. Thanks for kicking it. I'll see you next time.